Hello guys and dolls. Today we are looking at the Hornby R3045 Gatwick Express Class 73 Locomotive, Dave Berry, number 73202. Now for the unboxing. Inside we have the usual Hornby packaging for that era and the usual Hornby instruction leaflet. This tells you where to lubricate the wheels and how to remove the body shell and fit the DCC decoder. And there we have it. Let's get it up on the turntable and have a closer look, shall we? This view of the front of the loco shows it has a small type of coupling, and there is a representation of a light. It doesn't work, and in the headcode boxes there's number 30. The connecting pipes are quite well depicted and appear to be separately fitted. Let's turn the loco over and have a look at the bogies. This is the power bogie. Note it has two traction tyres, one here and one here. That label is put on there by me, DCC fitted. This is the unpowered bogie, and you can see that wheels are free to rotate. But of note, there are pickups on all the wheels, which is a useful feature. Let's compare the Gatwick Express loco to the Class 73 GB Rail Freight loco. And you can see at once they are the same moulding, but there are some differences. If we turn it over and we zoom in, we see on the Gatwick Express loco the traction tyres are on the same side, whereas if we look at this GB Rail Freight loco, they're on opposite sides. I think that this is a more modern arrangement that Hornby have adopted, and I think that is the older arrangement. I think this arrangement causes more derailments. But that's only my opinion. The question is, do you get any more for your money with the main train set version of this locomotive, or is there no difference? On the left is the railroad version, and on the right is the main range version. Is there a difference? Let's get them on the track and find out. Yes, running no problems at all. Now the express points test. No problems. I have put both these locos into a consist which means they both belong to the same train formation. So when I activate the controller, they will both respond at the same time. That's fine, but they're operating in opposite directions. I have now turned these locos around so they are facing the same way. What is officially the front of the loco has the head code on it, but you'll see from this view that when the locos are both facing forward, in fact the bodies are the other way around. There's a roof vent is there, the roof vent is there. Now the slow speed test. Yes, you can see the Gatwick Express one has a higher slow speed. It's just on one notch. Let's go up a notch. Three notches. If you want slow speed, the Jeanette loco is your loco. Well, you can see from this little experiment that the Gatwick Express loco makes a lot more noise than the GB Rail Freight loco. Let's punch it up to warp 5, shall we? Yes, which loco is the fastest? Undoubtedly the Gatwick Express. I suppose it would have to be, being an express train. Well, Mr. Wilkie, is it your dinner time? Is that why you've come? Well, I'll just wrap up this video. I have made up a representative train of the Gatwick Express using British Rail Mark II E coaches in Intercity Swallow livery. The Gatwick Express was run with a British Railways Class 489 Gatwick luggage van, GLV. These were converted from two HAP motor coaches in the mid-1980s to provide push-pull driving trailers to the Gatwick Express trains on the southern region. These vehicles were marshalled into sets with Mark II coaches and with a Class 73 providing power. You can get a model of the Gatwick luggage van from Britannia specific models, but he wants £169 for it, and the unit is unpowered. A point I would make is that sometimes the Gatwick Express was run with a Class 73 at both ends, so if you have two Class 73s and you can match the speed of them in your DCC system, then that's an alternative way of doing it.